Hey everyone, welcome back to the Luvele kitchen. Today I've got a couple of sweet potatoes that I'm going to turn into some chips using the Breeze dehydrator. No baking or frying here, just dehydrating at a really low temperature. It's so easy to make a healthy, tasty snack. So 2 large sweet potatoes or 3 small ones will be enough to fill all of the 6 dehydrator trays. You'll need to have one of these mandolin slicers to make sure that you can cut the sweet potato as thinly as possible and get the crispiest chips. All we need to do is peel them, slice them, and then season them with a little bit of olive oil and salt. So our chips are really nice and thinly sliced now. I've got them at about 1 millimeter thick. All I need to do now is add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and then just a teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix through now so that all the chips are coated lightly. Now there's no limit to what you could do with flavor here. You could try adding cumin or paprika if you like. A little bit of chili would work really nicely. But these ones with just salt are pretty good as well. Once you've given those a good mix, we'll then add them straight to our dehydrator trays and we can punch in our settings. Lay them out on the dehydrator trays, leaving enough space in between so that they can dehydrate evenly. Once all of your trays are filled up, you can put the lid back on and punch in your temperature and time settings. Today, we're going to dehydrate at 75 degrees for 10 hours. Our sweet potato chips should be all done now after 10 hours in the machine. Let's have a look and see how we've gone. These look really good. I can tell that the machine has done its job. They're fully dehydrated and they should be super crispy as well. I'm really happy with how these turned out. I know exactly what went into them and it was so easy to use the dehydrator to make a tasty, healthy snack. Give these a go at home and let us know in the comments below how you go. We'd also love to know any of the different flavor combinations you try and also any other ways that you're using your dehydrator at home. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it and we'll see you next week for another Luvele Life recipe.